It is a beginning of a new project. We have Molly. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this in the same video, but we have a Blue Henry, Mallard, Matte Bomber, Silver Percy, Black James. I can't use this one. It's broken, chipped corner. But anyways, before we continue, we have as our sponsor is Geologie. So we have a dandruff shampoo and we have some creams. Thank you so much. Who said only women need creams? Also men's, we need some creams to take care of. Oh, 50%. That's great. I definitely want to start using these creams right away. So we have everyday face wash, sensitive formula, moisturizing morning cream, a night cream, a broad spectrum face sunscreen, and a moisturizing dandruff shampoo. So thank you Geologie for sponsoring this video. All the screws are out and we begin to remove all the parts on this James so we can make Black James. Once you're done dismantling these James, you can put the parts in a safe place. I must continue with Henry. I've loosened all the screws and like I said before, remove all the parts ready for cleaning and paint. It looks like a war zone. Anyways, we put our parts in this container and ready for wash and paint. Alright, let's continue with Spencer. This is gonna be Mallard. Take out all the screws and remove all the parts that need no paint and prepare everything for paint. Of course, don't forget to wash the parts and prepare for paint. Almost forgot to take this off. Next is gonna be the Matte Bomber. Making good progress with the Matte Bomber. I guess I'm going to remove the face. I'm not gonna leave the face for Thomas. Now we continue with Percy. I'm gonna make a silver Percy out of this model. There is some corrosion on this battery terminal, so I guess I need to get a new one. So as I always say, we need to clean and prepare for paint. I guess I'm gonna skip Molly for now. We have too many customs at the same time. We skipped Molly, but we can make a custom out of these two. I already washed the parts and now I'm drying it in the sunlight. We are done painting the silver Percy. Now I need to finish the face and begin with the assemble. Percy's motor is filthy, needs some cleaning and lube. Motor is working. Yes, it is working. Those pins look very shiny and reflective. I like it. I need to paint the face, the eyes, pupils, red bands, and pretty much we are done. Making a big progress here. We are almost complete and need the decal number 6. So at the end I added some vinyl instead of the decals and I think they look better. Much better. So we are done with Silver Percy. Now it's available customtrackmasters.com or eBay. Next model we have Mallard. Actually it's expensive, but we turn it into Mallard, so we need to paint the wheels and assemble the model. It is the first coat of the white. Yeah, we're getting there. A little noisy motor, but I'm going to replace the cogs and we will be good. You are not gonna believe, but it was this worm gear that was causing the noise, but it's already fixed. Oh, it's fast, very fast. Tender is done. Couple more details, the face and some decals and the nameplate. Alright, we are done with the Mallard, the custom model Mallard Trackmaster. Ready to hit the online stores or eBay, customtrackmasters.com or eBay. Of course it's working. Great custom. A very easy custom Helena and Victoria, and this model is already painted and we just need to put the stickers on. that is done. Obviously nobody knows which is Helena and Victoria, neither in the books. CustomTrackmasters.com. For the next custom we have Clarabel's new friend. Now look at different shades. This is the first time when I tried, so I was trying to find which suits the best color, and here is the one I'm using. Well, now let's put the decals on. I don't know why she mad at, but it looks cool. Next custom is the Mad Bomber. Everybody say the Mad Bomber is SE and CR 323 model, made out of Thomas. The other day I sold one of these, but I left the face on it. I'm still thinking to remove the face and make it better. Making big progress. I'm gonna leave the face for now. Yep, it is working fantastic. Well, I guess it looks okay. I wish to finish it, but I still need to make another custom, so I'll show you the results later. Ready to assemble another custom. In this case we are talking about Black James. So far so good. That is nice. Okay, it is complete. Now I need the vinyl and the battery cover. Big progress with Black James. I don't know if I should paint this black or leave it like that. I have no clue yet, but other than that it's okay. At the end I had to paint the tender, so it looks much better. For the next project we have a Blue Henry. The lining is looking good. Yeah, ready to assemble. So I had to skip the steps for assemble this model, but here is the result. And also let me tell you, I've done another one. This is Mattel, and here is a Mattel also James, and the first one we were making was a Tomy. We also made some Hitoy company. I sold a lot of these models. Helena and Victoria sold out, and we have the last Clarabel's new friend. That's the last one we have. Still have the Mad Bomber ready to go. I never removed the face, so I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. I mean, it's listed on eBay, and still have some of these Halloween. Now that we are in Halloween, if you guys are interested, check the link in the description also for Geologie. Today's video also sponsored by BanBao. Check the link in the description. Very nice sets, the Lego style BanBao. This is a Explorer, very nice, and we have Christmas, Santa Claus. I'll give you an update once I'm done with this. All right.